Hello, and welcome to my presentation on the United Nations Development Program's design system. I chose this one because I thought it was pretty cool that the United Nations had a design system that was posted on the Design Systems for Figma webpage. Fortunately, it also turned out to be a pretty well put together page. And I also liked a second page that they had put together called the Data Futures Exchange Guide for data visualization. Most interesting to me was this stock chart library they had. Now, getting into their actual design system, this is the introductory page. As you can see, they use an atomic structure for the way they lay things out, and that's something that will come up in some of the subsequent pages that I will show. This next page shows their color palette. Primary colors they use are different shades of blue, and then a variety of accent colors. And it also covers the layout they have set up with desktop, laptop, tablets, and mobile. All these are considered atoms in their overall design system. This next section is the base typography, which covers desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. And from there, they go on to look at molecules, which look at color added to the text and also photos added to the text, in this case, mostly author profiles. And finally, they show organisms, which look at full page views of different kinds of designs. Finally, we have these components, starting with these buttons, which are just designed on the atomic level. Then we have text inputs, which are just considered atoms in this basic form setup, and molecules, which are added to elements of the form. And finally, organisms, which combines multiple elements together. And next we have navigation components. This is just a bunch of nav menu items that are at the atomic level. And going from there, we have more sophisticated navigation that combines um, basic atoms into molecules. And finally, we have the organisms that combine multiple elements as before. Well, that about sums up my presentation. I enjoyed going through this process more than I thought I would. It was an interesting experience. Thank you all for listening.